Now I give lecture on ionolysis process. The ionization processes. First one we studied about the introduction to ionization processes and primary ionization processes. Ionization process. Under ionization processes, three subdivision is there. First one is primary ionization processes. Second one secondary ionization processes. Third one electron attachment process. Under primary ionization process, first one is ionization by collision. Second one photo ionization. Under secondary ionization process, first one electron emission due to positive ion impact. Second one electron emission due to photons. Third one electron emission due to metastable and neutral atoms. Third is the electron attachment. In this lecture video, we studied about the introduction to ionization processes and primary ionization processes. Introduction to ionization processes. Normally, the gas is in its normal state is almost a perfect insulator only. When a high voltage is applied between the two electrodes immersed in a gaseous medium, the gas becomes a conductor and an electrical breakdown occurs. The processes primarily responsible for the breakdown of a gases, which is the ionization by collision, photoionization and the secondary ionization processes. We already discussed. In insulating gases, which is also called electron attaching gases, the process of attachment also plays an important role in ionization processes. Primary ionization processes. First one, ionization by collision. What do you mean by ionization? The process of liberating an electron from a gas molecule with the simultaneous production of a positive ion is called ionization. What happened in the process of ionization? In the process of ionization by collision, a free electron collides with a neutral gas molecule and gives rise to a new electron and a positive ion. If we consider a low pressure gas column in which an electric field E, the capital letter E denotes for electric field, is applied across two planes, both that means parallel electrodes, which is shown in the figure. That is next slide, the figure is there, we can see. Any electron starting at the cathode will be accelerated more and more between collisions with other gas molecules during its travel towards the anode. Now you see the figure. This is the arrangement for study of a Townsend Chitja. This is the one of the theory of ionization processes. Now you see the diagram. Left hand side cathode minus, right hand side anode. The arm or the cross is the ultraviolet light only. The distance between the cathode and anode is small d. And then the VB is nothing but the adjustable high voltage source only. And then ammeter is connected in series with the adjustable high voltage source. And then current limiting resistor R. So in this figure I already told what and we told in the previous slide. That means any electron at the cathode will be accelerated more and more between the collision with the other gas molecules during its travel towards the anode only. So this is the process of ionization by collision. So the continuation of ionization by collision is if the energy, that is the epsilon, gained during this interval between collisions exceeds the ionization potential V suffix I. V for potential, that is the I is defined for ionization. So the VI represents the ionization potential. The Va is the energy required to dislodge an electron from its atomic cell. The ionization takes place. The process represented as E minus, that is the electron, plus A. The processes is nothing but the electric energy greater than ionization potential Vi, that is the gives what means E minus plus A plus E minus, where A is the atom, where A plus represents the positive ion and E represents the electron. A few of the electrons produced at the cathode by some external means is nothing but the ultraviolet light falling on the cathode. We see in the figure, no? The ionized neutral gas particles producing positive ions and additional electrons. The next one is the photoionization. In the photoionization and all, so here you see there are several processes by which the radiation can be observed by atoms or molecules. They are excitation of the atom to a higher energy state and continuous absorption by direct excitation of the atom, or dissociation of diatomic molecule or direct ionization, etc. So the excited atom emits radiation when the electron returns to the lower state or to the ground state. The reverse processes takes place when the atom absorbs radiation. So the reversible processes represented Hv plus A, that is the bidirectional, giving A star. In this case, the E, that is the electric field, greater than Ai. So therefore the condition of breakdown, that is the condition for breakdown, where E is equal to H lambda, that means gamma is equal to Hc bar lambda, where H that represents then Planck's constant, small c is the velocity of that is light, that is the ultra violet light, and lambda is the wavelength of the radiation. Then the ionization that by collision and all, one more thing, the additional electron then themselves make ionization collision and thus the process repeats itself. This represents an increase in the electron current since the number of electrons reaching the anode per unit time is greater than those liberated at the cathode also. The positive ion also reaches the cathode and on bombardment of the cathode give rise to secondary electrons. The photoionization, the phenomena associated with the ionization by radiation or photoionization involves the interaction of radiation with matter only. So therefore the photoionization occurs when the amount of radiation energy observed by an atom or molecule exceeds its ionization potential. The photoionization occurs when the lambda is the wavelength of the radiation. So the lambda less than or equal to C into H divided by Vi, where H is nothing but what? Planck's constant. C is the velocity of light, lambda is the wavelength of the incident radiation, and then Vi is the ionization potential or energy of the atom only. So in this equation we have to substituting for a small h and c, we are getting lambda less than or equal to 1.27 divided by Vi into 10 to the power minus 6 centimeter, where Vi is in electron volts, that is EV. Small e and capital V is nothing but the electron volts. That is the ionization energy of atom or ionization potential of atom unit is electron volts. The higher the ionization energy, the shorter will be the wavelength of the radiation capable of causing ionization. So what we experimentally observed means the radiation having a wavelength of 1250 that is A bar, that is the unit. A, then the top and all circle is the unit of wavelength, is capable of causing photoionization of almost all gases. So, in this lecture video, you know about the introduction about ionization process, definition of ionization, and then what is the types of ionization process, and then detailed understand the primary ionization process. Thank you, student, for watching this video.